going to revise now. Parts of speech. What are we going to revise?
Parts of speech.
Parts of speech.
How many parts of speech we have studied?
8.
Henry, can you tell me the 8 parts of speech? Others mute. Okay, Laya. Henry, can you tell me the 8 parts of speech?
Ma'am, did you take the attendance?
Henry, this is the beginning of the class. Can you tell me the 8 parts of speech?
Yes, ma'am.
Henry, can you hear me?
Can I say? It
Yes.
is not clear. Can I say? Abhidev?
Yes, Adi, tell. All those who have raised your hand, please lower your hand. Adi, tell the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, prepositions, conjunctions,
Interjection.
interjection.
So the 8 parts of speech are noun,
Ma'am, now
pronoun,
I can hear you.
noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay. So what is a noun? Raise your hand. Yes, Anne Maria.
A noun is a word used as a person, animal, place, or thing.
Yes, noun is a word used as a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Okay. Okay, Shiva, I will not call out your name. Prajwal, tell me what is a pronoun?
Pronoun is coming in the place of a noun.
Not coming. It's not coming. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Okay. You have to remember that word. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Okay. Now, third one is adjective. Third one is adjective. What is an adjective?
Adjective describes a noun.
Very good. Adjective describes a noun. Adjective tells us more about a noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you all give me some example of
What can I
adjective?
say? A cat is a beautiful.
Cat is a beautiful. It's wrong. Give me a proper example.
Cat. The
cat is very beautiful.
a beautiful cat.
A
Ma'am,
beautiful.
Ma'am, the cat is very cute.
The cat is very cute. Wait, I'm trying to share. Give me a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
How many chocolates?
Okay, listen. Don't log out. Do not log out. Join back again. There's some problem, okay?
Ma'am, I cannot see you. Ma'am,
Ma'am, I think she left because she had a net problem with sharing the board. Who is the host? Who is the host then?
Henry, please mute.
Mute.
Also, ma'am is the host now also.
Shreya
Shreya is
Prasad.
the host.
Oh my.
Shreya,
Shreya, don't do anything except stay.
Shreya, can you stop the recording?
Yes. Please stop the recording.
Please stop the recording.
Okay, take out your paper. Take out a paper to write. Revision 1, parts of speech.
Can
Ma'am, like which ma'am? Ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, rule sheet.
yes, your rule sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Can we use book also?
No need of rough book. Use paper.
Ma'am, we can't see the board.
I did not share the board with you all. I'm just getting it started.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay. So first one, identify the parts of speech in the sentence. Abdul, read the first one.
Ma'am, do we write this? Ma'am, to write question and answer? I should write the question.
Yes, you need to write a question and you have to identify the. So first one, please, Abdul, read the question.
Ma'am, is this the revision?
Yes, this is the revision.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If I'm calling Abdul,
Yes,
see why
ma'am.
is he not responding to Abdul?
Ma'am, to whom?
Abdul.
Amir.
Yeah. Okay, Abdul, please answer the first one. Read the first one.
The boys are playing in the river.
Yes. So which are the nouns over here?
Boys,
Then
river,
very good.
river. Ma'am, how to write the question?
Yes, you need to write the question. If you not write the question, how do you understand?
Underline or circle.
Whatever you like. Now I'm circling. You, if you want, you can underline or you can circle. Everyone, listen to me. Take a screenshot of this page first, so that if you cannot complete, then you can complete it later on.
Ma'am,
Take a
I cannot screenshot in this
No
laptop.
problem. No problem.
Yes.
The boys are.
CTR pluses.
Okay.
I take this. I'm taking screenshot.
Wait. I'll give you all time. Give me some examples of pronouns which we have studied now. We have studied pronouns in the previous classes.
Ma'am, he, she, it, you, they, we.
It's talking Maya.
Ma'am, can you show the board once again?
Now you'll shout. Okay. Please just raise your hand if you want to answer. You all have to tell me the pronouns. Pronouns. Adidev.
Yes, ma'am. He, she, it, we, they,
Good.
okay, ma'am.
Now nobody will shout. Okay. So please read the second one. Adidev, read the second one. Adidev, read the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the second one.
Okay, ma'am. The book on the table is mine.
Pronoun.
Pronoun. Mine.
Yes, mine. Okay. I give you all 2 minutes to write these things.
Ma'am, to write the first question also?
Yes, you'll have to write all the questions. After finishing the first second, please stop writing, don't write. Let me explain one, then after that you can write. Okay. What is an adjective? As we were discussing, an adjective is a
Describing
word
word.
that describes noun. Okay.
Yes.
The cat is beautiful, somebody told. Now, give me some more example.
Ma, this is a black car.
This is a black car.
Black.
Black. Yeah.
My dress is red.
Very good.
He is a good boy.
Very good.
He is a clever boy.
Very good.
He is very talkative.
Very good.
He is very smart boy.
He's a smart boy. He's very smart boy. No, he's a smart boy. Good.
He is very angry boy.
What?
He is very. Now let me think.
Okay, you think. No
He
problem.
has a
Now,
beautiful dress.
the cat is cute. Very good. He has a beautiful dress. Very good. So now, third one. Gaudi, can you read the third one? Gauri, can you read the third one? Prajwal, read the third one.
Okay, ma'am. Rehan has a beautiful house.
Answer.
Beautiful. Adjective.
Very good. What is a verb? What is a verb?
I'm doing words.
Doing words or action words.
Action.
A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state. Okay. Henry is not writing. Right, Henry? So not is not writing. Isn't writing is a verb.
Yes, ma'am. Writing is a word.
Then Eva is sitting on the chair. Is sitting.
Sitting. Sitting.
Is sitting. Is sitting. Okay. The boy walked to the school. Walk.
Walk. Walk.
He drank the full bottle as he was thirsty. Drank. D-R-A-N-K, drank.
Drank.
I played with my brother.
Play.
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 You haven't listened. Yes.
Play.
Very good. What is an adverb now? What is an adverb? Mute. Adi, what happened? Mute.
Ma'am, L-Y. Clearly.
No. Adverb is not just the ly words. There are many ly adverbs.
Ma'am,
Without
I
ly.
know. Two words are not with the ly.
No, not just two words. There are many words which are not with ly. Okay. Adverb is a word used to describe a word. Very good, Shiva. Describe a verb, describe an adjective, describe an adverb. Adverb is a word that has to describe an adverb, an adjective, a verb. Okay? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, all the words are not with ly. Like, I read the book every day, which is an adverb over here.
Every day.
Every day. Where is the ly over here?
There's no ly.
Yes.
It's not a.
Ma'am, like one more is there. He reads the book well. Well, it doesn't
Yes,
have
well. Yes, well. Then he ran fast. See, fast is an adverb. Fastly. When you all say fastly, there is no word like fastly. F-A-S-T-L-Y. There is no word in English. So it is always he ran fast. Understood? He ran fast. Understood or no?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
So-
sorry, that was a call.
It's okay, Adi. So it is not important, it is not compulsory that all the words of adverb will be ending with ly. Very, he's a very smart boy, so very is an adverb. He's too beautiful. Sorry, she is too beautiful. Too is an adverb. Understood? I'm giving you some examples of adverb randomly. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We have learned adverb and verb collocation in the previous class. So I hope you all remember what is an adverb. Now, fourth one. Dia, read the fourth one. Dia.
Brian completes all his work on time.
Yes. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Ma'am, can I say?
By Dia, can tell
All.
all. How all is a verb over here? We are discussing a verb.
Complete.
Completes.
Complete, ma'am.
Yes.
Work.
Work is not a verb.
Yes, ma'am. Complete only.
Complete.
Because
Only
he is
complete.
action word only complete.
Yes. Anselin, read the fifth one.
Only complete.
Anselin, read the fifth one.
Mia sings sweetly and gracefully.
Okay.
Sweetly, gracefully.
Very good. Okay. In the last class, I have explained you what is preposition, what is conjunction. Remember or
Yes.
forgotten?
No, ma'am.
Only I think I'm teaching only to Adidev. Others I did not teach, right? What is a preposition?
On, under.
Ma'am, prepositions are words that describes
preposition.
Inside,
describes about anything
down,
like under,
Down,
up,
under.
down,
Ma'am,
in,
it is under the bed.
on, like that.
under, above,
Mute.
below.
Mute. See, prepositions are the words that shows us position. Don't forget this thing. That shows us position. Understood? It shows us the position. The boy is hiding under a table. The cat is on the table.
Cat is on the table.
The cat is inside the basket. Okay?
The cat is in the house.
Yes. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a
Ma'am,
word
conjunction is a word that will
Joins
connect
a sentence.
two sentences
that
into one.
joins two sentences
Into
or
one.
two nouns or
Ma'am, the
pronouns.
conjunction joins two sentences.
Yes, but it joins two words also. It joins two pronouns also.
Ma'am,
Two
but
nouns. Yes, and
fanboys.
but.
Ma'am, fanboys.
Yes.
Fanboys is also there, ma'am.
Now there are some example. And but.
And but nor
Yes.
Yet.
Yes. Now
So
also. Okay. Now tell me. Okay. Now tell me what are interjections.
interjections are words
What
that
is
includes a statement and about the reaction.
Yahoo!
feeling?
Like
Hooray,
Yahoo,
alas,
hooray,
alas.
Alas, hooray.
Oh.
So, interjections are the sudden feelings, the meaningless words. Okay.
Yes.
Alas, hooray, and so.
Who wants to read? Please raise your hand, because if I'm calling out your names, you all are not responding to me. So please tell me who wants to read.
Ma'am, Sapna,
Sapna, read the sixth one.
the squirrels are hiding in the tree. Inside
Hide-
the tree. Hiding
yes.
inside.
So which is the answer?
Inside.
Okay. Seventh one. Who wants to answer?
Can I repeat?
Okay.
They were too late to the school.
They were late to the school.
They were late to the school because the bus broke down.
Answer?
Because
Okay. Last one who, yes.
can I?
Varus. Ma'am, Varus.
Email.
Ma'am,
Eva answer. Veer.
Hooray. We won the match.
We won the match. Won, no, won. Okay, won the match.
We won the match. Interjection. Hooray.
Hooray. I give you 5 minutes to complete this. Okay, complete fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Everyone complete?
Finished, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I'm doing the last question.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I have a question.
Ma'am, finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am, I am in the last. Ma'am, I also finished.
Okay, those are finished. Wait, let others also complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am, finished.
Some are writing. 2 more minutes. I'm giving you all.
I'm writing.
Ma'am, I am in the last one. Ma'am, I finished. No, no, ma'am, I need to write the answer in the last one. Now I finished, ma'am.
I'm finished.
Yes, ma'am, now it is finished.
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am's video and audio is muted. Video is
off and ma'am is me that.
One minute more.
Arrow, forget what.
Okay. So now you all have understood what are 8 different parts of speech. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Those have not completed. Did you all take the screenshots?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We take the screenshot.
Okay. Now, next class, you all have on Saturdays. Join on time. Join on time. Okay. Don't be late for the class.
Okay,
We'll
ma'am.
be okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. We'll be solving reading comprehension. Okay. We'll be solving reading comprehension. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
which page number?
I'll tell you what, but Saturday, don't miss the class. It is very important. Okay. I'm informing you beforehand. Saturday, everybody has to be present. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye. Have a
Have a nice day.